For today's macrame tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to switch colors for berry knots, so stay tuned. So we all know how to tie a berry knot. If not, let's review. We tie 3 square knots, we fold it over onto itself and secure it with 1 more square knot. But now let's try it switching out the color. So grab a separate color, find the center, and put it right behind your 2 middle cords. Next, we're going to tie our first square knot, acting as though our cord was attached all along. This method is called a wrapping square knot or a gathering square knot, depending on where you're from. It's funny how many knots have several different names, but they're all tied the same way. If you know another name for this method, please let me know and comment below. Okay, so carrying on, we're going to tie 2 more square knots in this sequence here. And just like a regular berry knot, we're going to take the center cords and we're going to fold it over onto itself and stuff it right through this center gap at the top. Because our square knots were tied using a separate cord, push them up to the top to close the gap before you fold over your berry knot. And then just as you would tie a regular berry knot, we secure it with 1 final square knot at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate for you really quickly one more time using another color, but stay tuned because I'm going to show you how to get rid of the ends on the side. Okay, so just like we did before, grab a separate color, find the center, and then place it behind the center cords. Next, tie your square knots as if the cords were already attached. If you're at all interested in learning a full DIY tutorial using this method, please let me know in the comments below. There are some pretty cool things you can do using this method. Okay, so once you tie all 3 square knots, we're going to take the center cords, pull it through the middle, and then secure it with our final square knot. If you're finding value in this quick tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, that way I know to make more content just like this. Okay, so if these ends are not your jam, I'm going to show you how to get rid of them. So flip your work over, and preferably grabbing a tapestry needle. I couldn't find mine, so I had to make my own. Gosh, at one point I had like 5 million tapestry needles, but I have no idea where they all went. They just disappeared somehow. I'm gonna need like a GoFundMe page for tapestry needles. Anywho, slide your tapestry needle down the back side of your square knot and then loop your tail ends through the center of your needle. And then it may take a little bit of muscle, but pull your tail ends through the back side of your square knot and trim off the excess tail. Then you want to repeat for your second and your third knot. If you like this video, please do me a favor and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. Also, here are 2 more videos I think you'll enjoy. I'll see you over there.